Welcome back to News Overseas now. A judge appeared sympathetic on Thursday to legal arguments that ex-Venezuelan leader Nicolas Maduro and his wife Celia Flores should be allowed to use Venezuelan government money to fund their defense. Maduro and Flores' attorneys asked the judge to dismiss the narco-terrorism case against the pair because the U.S. has denied them use of the funds due to sanctions in place against their country. Prosecutors argued Maduro plundered Venezuela's wealth and should not be able to use its money for legal fees. The 92-year-old judge, Alvin Hellerstein, however, noted that the right to defense is paramount. He said he would not be dismissing the case over the dispute. The judge said he would issue a ruling at a later time. U.S. forces captured Maduro and Flores from their compound in Caracas in a dramatic nighttime raid on January 3 and brought them to New York to face allegations of weapon and drug offenses, which they deny. And the Primetime News Package continues with sports right after this break.